Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning your hands and working over a towel so you don't lose parts. Next, grip the AirPod Pro stem near the silicone base. This gives leverage and prevents stress on the speaker mesh. Hold the ear tip with your other hand, then twist slightly while pulling away from the body. The combination of twist plus pull releases the internal ridge. Once done, inspect the earbud rim for debris so the new tip will seal properly and sound won't be muffled. You'll now pick the tip size that gives a snug seal. This affects noise cancellation and bass. Hold the new silicone tip so the inner plastic ring faces the nozzle, then align it straight on, don't angle it. Apply steady pressure and push until you feel or hear a soft click, which indicates the retention ridge engaged. Make sure the tip sits flush around the rim. An uneven fit can let air leak and degrade ANC and sound quality, so double-check visually and by feel. You finish by testing the fit. Play music and enable noise cancellation, then try a seal test or the device's built-in fit check to confirm. If it sounds muffled or bass is weak, remove the tip, wipe the nozzle and tip inlet, and reattach or swap sizes. A poor seal is usually the cause. If the tip doesn't click into place or is torn, discard and replace it. If problems persist after swap and cleaning, contact support for a possible warranty replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.